This stool is about 10 inches tall, and it's a great device to help you work on your deep squats because sometimes if you're not able to go down deep like this and be able to sit on the floor. So that's why you start with something low, such as this 10-inch tall stool. Now, of course, make sure it's strong and sturdy and it's comfortable. So doing your deep squats are excellent because they work on your quads, your big thigh muscles. And those muscles alone give you strength, but more importantly, they support your knees. They give you strength through those muscles. And on top of that, it works on your glutes. And glute strength is very important for your balance and stability. So here are a few exercises you could do if you had a low stool or a shorter chair. Try getting up all the way, using your legs first with your hands. So you lean on your knees, push up, and you use all your weight on your hands to sit back down. Ideally, you want to get up like this and eventually halfway, which I'll show you in a moment. So leaning straight, even though I'm pushing all my weight on my hands to my legs, my back is straight. It's at an angle, but it's never hunched. Chin up, push up, flex your hips. That means come forward, stick your butt back out, and sit back down. So the further you put your butt back, your knees are not bearing the weight, so they shouldn't hurt that much. There'll be a little bit of discomfort depending on how your fitness level is, but it's safer. So again, lean forward, push up, butt back, and slowly put all your weight on that 10-inch tall stool. Now, try it without any support. Put your hands out. Always like to imagine I'm holding a tray, but just easier on the shoulders when your thumbs are in this position. And don't drop that tray as you stand up. And remember, butt back, hold that tray, sit down. I know that the stool is there, so I could go on slowly and carefully. Again, up and then down. Once you're comfortable doing that, you can just put your hands up and down. Actually gives you more momentum. So you're here, you come back down. Okay, side view. You're here, grab onto that imaginary whatever, pull it, and push it back down. I have to do two. Squeeze your glutes, back down slowly. Inhale as you come down. Just doing a few of those, you'll feel the perspiration happening, which is a good thing because your muscles are pumping, your blood circulating through your muscles and joints, and you're building strength. So now we're going to finish with just a half squat to sit to stand without actually standing up all the way. Stick your butt out, hands up, come up halfway, butt's far, and then come back down. Come halfway. Now remember, lean back so that your legs and your glutes are activated, not your knees. And down. If this hurts, just put your feet out a little more. Again, forward, up, and down. If you want the real challenge to feel that burn, a good burn, you come up halfway, you come up all the way, and you stop halfway. You want to try to stand up for a few seconds and then hold it for 5 to 10 seconds. And then come up, one more, down, and about 10 seconds. Bunch it up, lean on the wall because you'll be in excruciating pain, and stretch it out, but in good pain. Listen to your body. Make sure you know the difference between tightness and good pain and bad pain. And good pain in the sense that your muscles are being worked. You feel the muscles tight, pumping blood, and you don't want to feel any tightness or achiness in your joints, in your knees, your hips, and especially your lower back. Your positioning is very important. The way you sit, the way you stand, as long as you're putting your weight into your glutes and pushing off your heels, you'll be fine. So simple tool, little stool, about 10 inches. You get it at any home goods store. Online has many, many options, but it's a great tool to practice that deep squat as you get lower to the floor. That's not so high like a chair. Just try these things slowly, take deep breaths. Make sure you breathe every day and move every day. Check with your doctor or a physical therapist if you're not sure, because I can't see who I'm teaching right now, but I'm sure you understand that. So take it slow and stay strong.